In this video, you will learn why it is wrong to use the verb to taste in contexts like this. I like doing new things, so I went to a Thai restaurant for the first time and I tasted the food. To do this, we will look at the meanings of the verbs to try and to taste so that you can understand why to try is the correct verb to use in this context. After this, you will also practice using to try and to taste correctly. And don't forget, in the description, there's a link to the worksheet that accompanies this video. You can download the worksheet to keep all the information that's in the video. Try to answer the questions I ask. Match sentences 1 and 2 with their meanings A and B. Sentence 1. I tasted the Thai food. Sentence 2. I tried the Thai food. Meaning A. I experienced the flavour of the Thai food. Meaning B. I experimented with eating Thai food to find out if I liked it. Sentence 1 matches with meaning A, and sentence 2 matches with meaning B. So, the verb to taste means to experience the flavour of something, and the verb to try means to experiment. And we can see this clearly when we are talking about experimenting in a context that does not involve food. Which of these sentences is correct? Sentence 1. I like doing new things, so I went to an art class for the first time and tried painting. Sentence 2. I like doing new things, so I went to an art class for the first time and tasted painting. Obviously, sentence 1 is correct because the speaker is talking about experimenting with painting to find out if they like painting or if they're good at painting. Sentence 2 doesn't make any sense. We don't eat paintings. We don't experience the flavour of paintings. So when we go back to a context that does involve food, the verbs still have the same meanings. To try means to experiment, and to taste means to experience the flavour of something. So, which of these sentences is correct? Sentence 1. I like doing new things, so I went to a Thai restaurant for the first time and I tasted the food. Sentence 2. I like doing new things, so I went to a Thai restaurant for the first time and I tried the food. The correct sentence is sentence 2 because the speaker is talking about experimenting with Thai food to find out if they like Thai food. If you find this video about the difference between to try and to taste useful, subscribe to this channel so that you can get all of my latest videos about other aspects of English that you might be unsure about. Pause the video and do this next practice exercise. Then play the video again to see the answers. Here come the answers. Practice using to try and to taste more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Or, more specifically, if you're not sure about the difference between try followed by ing and try followed by the infinitive, watch this video so that you can start using these forms correctly. Good luck with your English!